All right, we're going to take a short break and be back on the. And the band is going to start with the second set. I request Sadhan to take the.
You are my Sajini. I'm your divana. You're my divana. Sarega Makadani. You are my Sajini. I'm your divana. You're my divani. Let's sing it together. Together. Let's sing forever. Let's dance forever. Let's sing together. Let's dance together. Let's sing forever. Let's dance forever. Roita Sondri Lawan Khandari. Roita Sondri Lawan Khandari. Pakase Rosaveri. Bhagya Samad
Make some noise one more time for them. And at this moment, I want your phones out. You got to capture this moment, and this should be your story on Insta, WhatsApp, Facebook tomorrow. So, your phone and capture tomorrow. You got a wonderful story. And now Mark Revlin is going to give the couple their bed. Rory, all yours. Sanita, smiling. Here we go.
God bless you, Laurie, and your marriage. God bless you. A beautiful song in common. Peace with the Lord. I'm touching. Bolo Sacramento Sobi Dilo Juramento Corar establo Não desguaza Sua bolsa Não que transou Por favor Sobi mulancho Não passa Alright, be on the middle. Let us sing at the bass.
Here we go. Come on, Ryan. Come forward. Dance, dance, dance and come. Here we go. Everybody join in.
Vai multa, ti seguo una dis. Vai multa, fuori mi segui. Guardando lo solo cruzata. Seguo una ti seguo una dis.
Come on, everybody join in.
Fuori mi segui. Guardando lo solo cruzata.
All right. Come on, everyone. Rise up. I want you on the dance floor. So move it, friend. Come on, Jessica, move it.
Vai multa, ti seguo una dis. Vai multa, amore ti seguo. Guardando lo solo cruzata.
Everyone on the dance floor.
One more time. Vai multa, ti seguo una dis. Vai multa, amore ti seguo. Guardando lo solo cruzata. Para traiga un seguo una dis.
Yoba!
Casar salvasa, corro solo, aguardo liando, ulo, dovolendo usa, salgo scolo, guardavo i mursi, robrazzano. Todo mundo chegando, amore por magari saina, ori caina, ogal kuchiza, nora torraiga, andata cena, manduto am, marisa morte, cosita, amsa o morte, manduni yena, oe capito, sodanza nata, sumana ekon, sarsata.
Well, you can sing along with Mark. Everybody. Anybody left? Kindly join in. The last chance for you to go in the lava.
It's
All right.
celebration.
Now I want you to stand in one circle. One circle, Jessica. One circle, everybody, and spread out, spread out. One circle, everybody, one big circle. Come a little closer, come in.
Get a lot to do. We're gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on now. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. Celebration.
All right, now everyone, I want your right hand out. Uzwa at Bankara, Uzwa. Right hand out. Everybody, roll your right hand out, not in the pocket. Here. Salina, we're going to do the high five style. Ready? You got clap cake cutting ceremony. It's time for Laurie and Senator to exchange the champagne. I want your glasses in hand. Gudino and team waiting for it to capture this wonderful moment. Yeah. Rest of you? Okay. Hold the wine, the champagne glasses in your hand. Everyone, the rest of you. Yeah. Come little closer. Get the glasses little closer also. Okay. Sadhan, like it. Friends, at this moment, we are missing one person, and that's Larson. He could not make it as his job didn't allow him to be here. Amcho Larson, yung Paulo na, kamang logon ullo bandun. Pun maka dista,
that Senita is not just your wife, she is your queen. And Senita, may you always remember that Laurie is not just your husband, he is your home. A wise saying goes, marriage is when a man realizes his wife was right, and a woman lovingly reminds him of it for the rest of his life. So Laurie, all the best. Your destiny starts today. Happy wife is happy life. So now with hearts full of joy and glasses raised high, let us toast to a lifetime of love, laughter and happiness. May your love be deep on difficult days. May your laughter be loud on the joyful ones. May your arguments be short and your kisses be long. May you never stop being best friends, no matter how old you grow. May you grow old together, still holding hands and still choosing each other. As you start this beautiful journey as husband and wife, remember this. When life's easy, hold each other closer. When days get heavy, laugh a little louder. And when love feels tested, love even harder. So, to Mr. Fernandez, cheers forever.
in the meantime, Laurie, keep on eating. Okay. Great. Wait, wait, Laurie. One more time, man. Sadhan is saying one more time. He did that. Aki Sugli. Together. Done? Yeah? Okay. Laurie, was it sweet? So let the sweetness be in your married life forever. Okay? That is what we all long for. I call this part the Sasumai special. Laurie, it is said, Oglecha Mogan Podojani Sasumai Chepodon. Tu Podlai? Podlai the Lamka Sogalang Podong Zai. Mogan cake card and Sasu. Well, everybody put your hands together for them. Little louder for Rocky and Jeff. All right. Boss Onagan, Mashu Birao here. Please, I don't want you to sit for a while. Mashu Birao chi.
Celebrate two very special people, our beautiful bride Senita and our wonderful groom Laurie. Today we are gathered not just to witness a wedding, but to celebrate a love story where you don't just see two people in love. You see two people who truly chose each other. Watching these two have been genuinely beautiful. They bring out the best in each other, because love is not just about finding the right person. It's about being the right person for each other. And may you never forget that the best marriages are not built on perfection, but on choosing each other.
What we live for, sign reads like a tombstone blue. One kid for sure. One kid, one kid for sure. Time is like an ocean, singular but broken, and we are wooden pegs on a board. Sudden like a rainstorm, a voice that falls from heaven. Is this your final welcome home? One kid, one kid, one kid, one kid, one kid for sure. One kid, one kid, one kid, one kid, one kid for sure.
In the married ground. So, and there she's standing all in white today. And Laurie, the amazing one, he's happy because his dream has come true, and Senita is at his side. आमचे सेनिता बाय सारखेच मुरगोडटा लॉरी मातसो टेन्शनान गो दिसता आनी कित्याक पयलेच फावट घालतात जाला फर्स्ट टायम लॉरी ही मिस्टेक आनी पोत्ती करूंक जायना सगळे काजारी दादले आहा तितले सारखे म्हणटा सारखे करूंक जाता पोत्ती मिस्टेक ना बट डोंट वरी हे वेळार उलो मारता लॉरीक मातशी घोटाय दिवया हांगा सगळे काजारी दादले आहा तितले मातशे हात वयर घालात ऑल मॅरीड मॅन with my brothers in the
Congratulations and celebrations. Will you tell everyone that you're in love with her? Congratulations and jubilations.
Shut it, together, both of you together.
Happy as can be.
Okay. Well, Laurie, wait for a minute. Sorry. Yeah. I called this part. Oh, wow. Senita, you're very lucky. Laurie, I called this part. Say, oh, oh. Come on, everybody. That's dancing. It's better when I'm dancing. Yeah. Well, I want you to stand far, little stand out. All right, put yourself a little behind. All right. And now without the music, the daddies and the daddies are going to enter. The bridesmen and the bridesmaids, along with the page boy and the flagger, I think so. The page boy, Royal, along with him is Scarlett. Best man, Stin with Jessica. Jonathan with Shraddha. Stanley with Joella. Maxon with... Put your hands together and welcome them everybody. Here they come in. Music, please.
Reporting live from the tallest building in Tokyo. Long way from them hallways, filled with O's and O's. They counted always, real fast.
Okay. I think so. That is a big round of
Anuwasya solo ay sortika suka sono petao tusya bukario andri sewa ko nam ka bawo ka na ko ka de masta ani je shipo ro chodra sonistan povito me opi ek chai ko mi namr tai mata Vena alba solo donani voi botuka I'm sure. So,